Welcome. Tonight, there is nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to achieve. Simply allow yourself to rest. Take one slow, deep breath and gently close your eyes. Imagine that you are walking through the peaceful forests of Vrindavan. The night is calm. The moon shines softly over the Yamuna River. A cool breeze touches your face. In the distance, you hear the gentle sound of Krishna's flute. With every step, your thoughts become quieter. Your body becomes lighter. Your breathing becomes slower. You continue walking toward the beautiful melody. Under an ancient Kadamba tree, Krishna is sitting peacefully. He smiles. Without saying a word, his presence reminds you you are safe, you are protected, you are exactly where you need to be. Let the sound of the flute carry away every worry. There is nothing to fix tonight, nothing to fear. Only peace, only stillness, only rest.